So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit your payment method here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go ahead to the bottom right and press on Profile. At the top where it says Payment Methods, go ahead and press on that. Now once you guys are here, you can select your preferred payment method that it'll actually default to. So you can select Apple Pay, Affirm, or PayPal. You can also go to the top and add a credit or a debit card. So for example, if I wanted to go ahead with the transaction, we'll just say Tate McRae right here, these tickets, just as an example right here. Once you're on this screen where it says payment right here, you can actually select your payment method. So Apple Pay is my default. You can press PayPal, Affirm, or if you have a credit card or debit card connected, you can go ahead and do that and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple. Once again, I go to the bottom, press on Profile, press on Payment Methods, and you can edit it this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can edit your payment methods here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.